We've covered them before, but there are also some seeds being produced by these plants in this vicinity. So both woody and herbaceous plants are capable of producing seeds, and depending on the plant, they might be relying on those more or less. So I see a few seed structures ready to go on the evening primrose that we looked at earlier. These are the flowers of evening primrose. Hasn't quite given up on the chance of pollination. And truthfully, there's probably a good season left in which to pollinate and get these flower parts moving on towards seed production. After successful fertilization, this is actually the ovary down here at the base of a long tube. And so what's left on the evening primrose are these things, which are ovaries. This is probably about the biggest one on this plant. Take one off. And that would have seeds inside. Getting a little fuzzy there. Kind of early in the process. So those seeds, I would say, are not mature, but they're being made in there, you can see. Other ones are wild carrot. Lots of seeds already made. We did the exercise where we were looking for seeds on plants. So these are actually little fruitlets on this plant, but lots of them already made at this time of year. Let's see what else we got for reproductive structures. On our plantain here, this is the common plantain. Has some seed capsules on there, and that looks like a seed. So a handful of seeds in there in the seed capsules. There's one over here. This is a mullein plant. This is a biennial plant. So I would say this one's probably done for altogether at the end of this year. And at the top, these are the seed capsules. Very prolific. Wow, look at that. So no doubt this plant has made a lot of seeds as a result of its growing this year. Here's a nice one in here. I don't know if anybody found one of these as they were looking for their seeds. This one's called stick seed, I think. Hakelia. And it's made some fruits, little fruitlets, nutlets that are also very good at holding on to furs and clothing. And here's a wood sorrel. I see the stalks where the fruit capsules used to be attached, and they are missing their fruit capsules. So I'd say this one's already done its job of dispersing seeds this year. So lots of successful seed production and dispersal in this environment. Here's one more. This one was a sweet clover, genus Melolotus, in the bean family. And it's got a bunch of these little single seed, sort of like a single seed bean present on this